does business in 10 markets, and they get asked to do business in a lot of people's downtowns all the time. So they're very selective about where they come and open a store. They do a lot of research, and they have to feel that the fit is right, that the culture is right, and that obviously that they'll be profitable. And it's just very heartening to see that a lot of the investment that they've made in downtown is now paying off by bringing such an incredible anchor to downtown.
This is like the Good Housekeeping seal of approval. It is going to mean that a lot of more retailers will look at coming downtown. It sort of puts the cherry on the top of the sundae, and I think we're going to see a lot of interest in other folks coming to downtown, not only tourists but potential business people.
It's a destination retail place. My wife last night we took a tour and she wanted to buy the T-shirts with the Winston-Salem Mass General store on it. It's a destination. People go to all the Mass General stores to get the T-shirts. So we're really excited about more tourism, and downtown is just really moving right now.
All right, it's a great day. It's May 6, 2015. It's a day to remember here in downtown Winston-Salem. It's the day that the Mass General store will open right here on Trade Street.
All right.
It has taken the hard work and dedication, those who were willing to go it in the dark, where it didn't seem as though things were going to happen. Those who were willing to go when it got difficult. Those who were willing to build and invest when things didn't seem logical to build and invest. But with the support of partners that come together to make this happen for us here today, we can say that we are moving in the right direction, and we have made an investment because we decided to do what all the time did not seem popular, but what was right to be done for this community and for this time.
Thank you, Dermot. Good morning, everybody. I'm Alan Joynes. It's my honor to serve as the mayor of the city of Winston-Salem, and as my colleagues on the council know, you have your good days and your bad days as an elected official. Today's one of those good days.
Because Winston-Salem, North Carolina is one of the leading cities in the country. Winston-Salem, North Carolina is a place that people want to come and live.
All of us with the Mass General store, and we've got quite a large staff that are here today, not just from Winston-Salem, but from a lot of our stores to help us today, are honored to have been invited to this great downtown and wonderful community. Winston-Salem is actively reinventing itself to be a beacon of arts and innovation for the region and for the state of North Carolina.